Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have a couple of unbaggings to do. I have Sephora Play and I have Ipsy. I have opened them from their outer packages, but I haven't looked inside yet. As always with Sephora, you do get your little booklet, and Ipsy does not have one, unfortunately. These are both $10 a month, and that's why I have them put together. I will have links to both of them down below. The Ipsy one is a referral link, so I do get some points with that. I don't get anything like physical with it, but it's just points. So Sephora this month is Beauty is My Spirit Animal, which is a very cute. I like the bag, and it's not quite as heavy of material as in the past. We'll pull out the big thing in there, and this is from Buxom. It is a plump line lip liner, and that's what it looks like. And man, it's hard to open. There we go. All right, and it is in the shade, does it say what shade it is in? Hush Hush, okay. And it's weird, like, oh, it has a lip liner or a lip brush on this end. That's kind of cool. All right, so this is what it looks like. We'll swatch it, and that's a nice color. The only thing is, when they're this thick, I do not have a sharpener that will sharpen something this thick. So if you know of one, let me know what I can use to sharpen that. The next thing in here is from Murad. It is the Invisablur Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So I've actually tried this in the past, and I was not a fan, so I am going to pass this on because I know other people really do like that. All right, next in here is the Verb Ghost Oil, which I think is for your hair. Yes, it's a weightless hair oil, so that will be interesting to try. I have not tried that product. I've tried a couple things from Verb, and I've liked them, so I'll be interested to try another thing. The next thing in here is so lightweight. It is an anti-frizz hair sheet from Way, and it's just a single one. So it says that you just, I guess you just rub your hair with it. It doesn't really have much instructions. There are two more things in here. The next one is from Lancome. It is the Mille en Mousse Foaming Cleansing Makeup Remover. Okay, well, my lights are too bright. It's glaring, causing glare. So that will be interesting to try. I always like trying different facial cleansers. And the last thing in here is from Sephora. It is a Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. And they gave me the shade Neutral Linen, which is shade 14. We'll see if that will actually, that actually might work. Yeah, actually pretty good. It's a little yellow for my skin tone, but overall not bad for a color match. All right, now moving on to Ipsy, and this month's bag is cloth. It is very, has lots of negative space on it, and inside, oh, the first thing we have are markers, so we can color in our bag. I heard that that was one of the things that they were going to do with this month's, and I actually got some really nice colors, pink and blue. I like those a lot. Reaching in here, the first thing I have is from Teeny Beauty. It is an Eye Teeny eyeshadow in the shade Fire Starter. Let's open this up and give it a swatch. Of course, it never like pulls straight across, huh? And that is what the shade looks like. And that's what it looks like. Oh, it's not very pigmented. Like, I expected it to like have more of a presence, but that's pretty light and very sheer coverage. Next we have from Dirty Little Secret. This is a baked highlighter. Does it say what shade it is? It does not on the outside box. It is in the shade Bellini, and that is what it looks like. So it's a very pink highlighter. That's what it looks like. Ooh, very shimmery. That's nice. I'm excited to try that one. The next thing in here is from Contour Cosmetics. It appears to be a liner of some sort. I'm going to open it. All right, those always take me a while to get them open. And it must be a lip liner because of the shade. And here's a swatch of it. It is a little stiffer than the Buxom one was from Ipsy, but that is it right there, or from Sephora, sorry. And then the last thing in here, I think last thing, nope, we got another thing. It is from Glossier. It is a rosebalm.com universal skin salve. I've heard a lot about Glossier, but I have never tried anything from them in the past. And then we have the Sex Kitten liner from Tarte, which I will be passing on because I don't need any eyeliners, and this is just your basic black eyeliner. So there's that. And then I forgot I redeemed for some points, and I threw this in when I got my package. It is from Corez. I used I think this was like 600 points or something. A little ridiculous for the size of it, but it is the pomegranate AHAs and enzymes resurfacing mask for oily combination skin. So it is just a small sample. So let's kind of recap. I'm liking the highlighter. I think that's pretty nice. Not very impressed with the eyeshadow. It's not my favorite. Won't use a black eyeliner. I actually have asked them not to send me black eyeliner, so we'll see. Lip liner is okay. I'm not like overly crazy about it, but that's okay. The Glossier skin salve, I'll be interested to try as well. So 2 that are good, and then 1 that's and then 2 that I'm not excited about. So that is that one. And then looking back at Sephora, I have, well, not crazy about powder foundation samples or a frizz sheet. I would rather have had a perfume, to be perfectly honest. So these I'm kind of about. I'm excited about the Lancome, the Buxom, and the Ghost Oil for the hair. And then I'm not happy about the Murad because that is not a product I really like. Let me know what you got in your months, in your March Ipsy or Sephora play, if you got things different than I did, if you got better things than I did, or if you think they were better or worse. Let's have a conversation down below. I do have a 500 subscriber giveaway going on right now, so make sure you check out that video as well. I'll have it linked down below. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.